All right, let's dive into the world of online banking and get straight to the point. Have you ever found yourself hesitating to open a new bank account because you were worried about a hefty minimum deposit? That little number that stands between you and your financial goals? It's a common hurdle, and today, we're going to break down one of the most popular online banking options, Ally Bank, and answer that crucial question: how much do you really need to get started? Now, before we jump into the specifics, let's take a moment to understand why this question even matters. In today's financial landscape, flexibility and accessibility are key. Traditional brick-and-mortar banks often come with a laundry list of fees and minimum balance requirements, which can be a real burden, especially for those just starting out or looking to maximize their savings. Online banks, on the other hand, have disrupted the industry by offering streamlined services, competitive interest rates, and, often, lower barriers to entry. Ally Bank has carved out a strong reputation as a customer-centric online bank, known for its user-friendly platform and attractive offerings. But even with its reputation, the question of minimum deposits lingers. It's a fundamental aspect of any banking relationship, and it directly impacts your ability to access and manage your funds. So, why is this information so important? It's important because financial accessibility, minimum deposit requirements can exclude individuals with limited funds. Online banks that remove these barriers make financial services more accessible to a wider range of people. Budgeting and planning. Knowing the minimum deposit allows you to plan your finances accordingly. It helps you determine how much money you need to set aside to open an account and avoid any potential penalties. Comparing banking options. When choosing a bank, minimum deposit requirements are a crucial factor to consider. Comparing these requirements across different banks helps you find the option that best suits your financial situation. Understanding account obligations. Minimum deposit requirements often come with associated obligations, such as maintaining a certain balance to avoid fees. Understanding these requirements ensures that you can meet your obligations and avoid unnecessary costs. Now, let's get down to the core of the matter: Ally Bank's minimum deposit requirements. The great news is that Ally Bank has worked to remove many of the financial barriers that other banks put in place. Here's a breakdown. For most of Ally Bank's most popular accounts, including their online savings account and their spending checking account, the minimum deposit to open an account is $0. That's right, $0. This is a significant advantage, particularly for those who are just beginning their savings journey or who prefer the flexibility of not having to maintain a certain balance. This $0 minimum applies to their high-yield savings accounts as well. It is important to understand that sometimes there can be minimums related to specific types of accounts, such as some specific CD products. So always double-check the specific account's terms. This lack of a minimum deposit requirement is a testament to Ally Bank's commitment to providing accessible and convenient banking services. It allows you to open an account and start earning interest, regardless of your initial deposit amount. But it's not just about the lack of minimum deposits. Ally Bank also offers a range of other benefits that make it an attractive option. Competitive interest rates. Ally Bank is known for its competitive interest rates on its savings accounts, which can help you grow your money faster. No monthly maintenance fees. Many traditional banks charge monthly maintenance fees, which can eat into your savings. Ally Bank eliminates these fees, allowing you to keep more of your hard-earned money. User-friendly online platform. Ally Bank's online platform is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it simple to manage your accounts from anywhere. Excellent customer service. Ally Bank is known for its responsive and helpful customer service, which can provide peace of mind knowing that you can get assistance when you need it. Variety of account types. Ally Bank offers a wide range of account types, including savings accounts, checking accounts, and CDs, allowing you to choose the options that best suit your financial goals. Tools for saving. Ally Bank provides tools such as buckets that allow users to organize their savings goals. In today's digital age, online banking offers a convenient and efficient way to manage your finances. Ally Bank stands out as a leader in this space, providing a customer-centric approach that prioritizes accessibility and transparency. The fact that they have eliminated minimum deposit requirements for many of their accounts is a significant advantage, making it easier for individuals to take control of their financial future. When considering any financial institution, it is always wise to do your own research. Checking the most current information on the bank's official website is always the best practice. Banking rules and offerings can and do change. So, to recap, the answer to the question how much is the minimum deposit for Ally Bank is, in many cases, $0. This makes Ally Bank a very accessible option for many people. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.